Hi friends, in this video I will be showing the performance of autofocus during slow and fast movement. So first let me select movie recording mode. Just rotate this mode dial and select movie recording mode. Then press this OK button. Then choose one mode. Let me select first one, auto exposure. Select it. Then go to menu. Then under first tab go to option 1. Then here select movie record size. So let me select the full HD. Okay, so next I am going to record the video. Let me press this record button on top. See, recording started. Now let me check the autofocus. First I am going to check the autofocus during slow motion. Let me slowly move this. See, it's focusing well. See, if you slowly move the camera, it's focusing very fast. Okay, so let me check the fast movement. So it's taking some time to focus. See, I think it's performing well. Okay, so this is the performance. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So let me stop this recording. Press this movie recording button and stop it. Then let me play it and let me see. So now I am playing that recorded video.